Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best silicone spatulas is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked tools in any kitchen, and today we're diving deep into a set that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience with its heat resistance and durable design, ensuring every stir, scrape, and fold is executed with precision and ease, making meal preparation not just efficient but also a joy for home chefs and culinary enthusiasts alike. Number 5. HOTEC 600 degrees Fahrenheit food-grade silicone spatula set. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, these spatulas are non-toxic, odorless, and environmentally friendly. Their smooth, flexible edges ensure no scratches on your cookware, making them a climate pledge-friendly choice. Experience the convenience of a seamless one-piece design. They are compact, sturdy, easy to clean, and non-stick, with a soft handle for a comfortable grip. Perfect for all your baking, cooking, and mixing needs. These spatulas can withstand extreme temperatures, from -104 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 degrees Celsius to 315 degrees Celsius. This superior heat resistance ensures durability and safety during high-temperature cooking. This package includes a set of 5 spatulas in various sizes, from small to large. Different sizes are provided to meet all your diverse kitchen needs, making them a great gift option. Cleanup is a breeze as they are completely dishwasher safe. They are also perfect for use with your non-stick cookware, preserving its surface. What we like? This set is made from 100% food-grade silicone and features a seamless one-piece design for easy cleaning. If you're looking for a durable and safe option for everyday cooking and baking, this is a great choice. What people say. The spatulas are made of high-quality silicone, which makes them heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This means they won't melt or warp when used with hot pans or ovens. The set includes 3 different sizes, a large spatula, a medium spatula, and a small spatula. This variety makes them perfect for a wide range of cooking tasks, from flipping eggs to scraping bowls. The spatulas have a seamless design, which means there are no crevices or joints where food can get trapped. This makes them very easy to clean and hygienic. Number 4. Umite Chef 33 PCS Silicone Cooking Utensil Set. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free food-grade silicone, this set ensures safety and health for all your culinary creations. Keep them clean after use to prevent any lingering odors or stains. Experience enhanced durability with our upgraded, thickened silicone. It can withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit 230 degrees Celsius without melting or warping, perfect for high-heat cooking. Featuring a reinforced stainless steel core and seamless silicone construction, these tools are both strong and simple to clean. The heat-resistant handles with hanging holes help keep your kitchen tidy. With a sleek design that complements any kitchen style, this set is perfect for everyday use or as a thoughtful gift. It brings convenience and efficiency to your cooking routine. This extensive set includes everything you need, from spatulas and ladles to measuring tools and tongs. It's designed to meet all your kitchen needs for diverse cooking tasks. To maintain the quality of the wooden handles, we recommend hand washing and avoiding prolonged soaking or dishwasher use. This ensures they remain in excellent condition for years to come. What we like? This is a comprehensive 33-piece set with non-stick silicone heads and stylish wooden handles. If you need a wide variety of tools for all your kitchen tasks and appreciate a coordinated aesthetic, this extensive set is ideal. What people say. The spatulas are made of food-grade silicone, which is safe for cooking and baking. They are heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, so you don't have to worry about them melting or warping. The seamless design makes them easy to clean and prevents food from getting trapped in crevices. Number 3. Kitchen World Silicone Spatula Set. Introducing our premium silicone spatula set, designed to withstand high temperatures up to 248 degrees Celsius without melting, deforming, or emitting any unpleasant odors. They are built to last through all your culinary adventures. Experience the perfect blend of durability and flexibility with our lightweight, ergonomically designed spatulas. Crafted from high-quality silicone, they are built to handle the demands of any kitchen. Enjoy effortless cleanup as these spatulas are completely dishwasher safe and BPA-free. The removable heads ensure every nook and cranny can be cleaned thoroughly, making maintenance a breeze. This versatile set includes 4 essential designs: a large spatula, a small spatula, a spoon spatula, and a jar spatula. They are expertly crafted to assist with everything from mixing batters to scraping jars. Whether you're cooking, baking, or mixing, these non-stick spatulas are your ideal kitchen companions. They are perfect for spreading frosting, flipping pancakes, and so much more. This set comes with 4 spatulas in a vibrant orange color, adding a touch of style to your kitchen. They are designed for both functionality and aesthetic appeal. What we like. This set of 4 spatulas offers an ergonomic design for comfortable use and is completely dishwasher safe. If you prefer a compact set with a focus on comfortable handling and easy cleanup, this option is perfect for you. What people say. The spatulas are made of high-quality silicone, which makes them heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The seamless design of the spatulas prevents food from getting trapped in crevices, making them easy to clean. The set includes 3 different sizes, offering versatility for various cooking tasks. Number 2. BakeRoyal 4-piece silicone spatula set. Introducing the BakeRoyal silicone spatula set, your new essential kitchen companion. Crafted for durability and designed for ease, these spatulas are built to last. Worry less about melting or warping. These spatulas can handle extreme heat up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring they remain safe and effective even in the hottest cooking situations. Enjoy a truly seamless design that prevents food from getting trapped. Cleaning is a breeze, simply pop them in the dishwasher or wipe them clean. They won't retain odors or colors. This set includes 4 versatile spatulas, large, mini, spoon, and jar. They are perfect for everything from frosting cakes to scraping jars, making every cooking task easier. Protect your expensive non-stick cookware. The flexible yet firm heads are designed to scrape effectively without scratching delicate surfaces, ensuring your pans stay in pristine condition. Experience a comfortable grip with their non-slippery handles, reinforced with a stainless steel core for exceptional durability. These tools are built to handle heavy tasks with ease. What we like. Featuring a seamless design and a perfect balance of firmness and flexibility, these spatulas are heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. If you value tools that are both durable for tough tasks and gentle on your non-stick cookware, this set is an excellent companion for your kitchen. What people say. The spatulas are made of high-quality silicone, which makes them heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The seamless design of the spatulas prevents food from getting trapped in crevices, making them easy to clean. The set includes a variety of sizes, perfect for different cooking tasks, from stirring to scraping. Number 1. BakeRoyal Silicone Spatula Set, 5PC, Black. Unleash your creativity with this 5-piece spatula set. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, they are designed to withstand extreme heat up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit without melting. Cleanup is a breeze with these seamlessly designed spatulas. They resist food buildup and are completely dishwasher safe, giving you more time to enjoy with your family. These spatulas are designed to adapt to all your cooking needs, from scraping bowls to mixing batters. The ergonomic handles provide comfortable control for any culinary task. Perfect your non-stick cooking with these pro-grade silicone spatulas. They are gentle on your cookware, ensuring no scratches, whether you're making scrambled eggs or sautéing vegetables. We are committed to creating lasting positive experiences. Our forever promise and excellent customer care guarantee your satisfaction with every purchase. What we like. This set boasts LFGB certified silicone, a seamless design for effortless cleaning, and comes with a forever promise for customer satisfaction. If you prioritize certified quality, ease of maintenance, and peace of mind with a product guarantee, this is the set for you. What people say. The spatulas are made of food-grade silicone, which is safe for cooking and baking. They are heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for high-temperature cooking. The seamless design prevents food from getting trapped in crevices, making them easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.